Hi 8th graders, this video is gonna walk you through step by step how to stitch together two videos. If you had separate video clips, separate takes where you introduce the video and then have the machine run, you're gonna want to watch this video. First step is, if I'm assuming a lot of you took the videos on your phone, if you need to get it on your computer, this is what I would have you do. Go ahead and make sure that you have the OneDrive app, or go ahead to the App Store and download the OneDrive app, and then I'm going to walk you through what I did on my phone. You're going to open up that app, you're going to click this blue plus sign, upload, photos and videos, find the video in here, select it, and then press done. And it'll take a couple seconds to upload. And there it goes. So once you have it uploaded to your OneDrive, then you'll pull up your file folder and make sure it's in there. Then you're going to want to go to this video editor application that's on your Surface. You're going to click New Video Project, and you're going to name your video Rube Goldberg. Rube Goldberg. Rube Goldberg. And then you're going to add from this PC, you're going to find those videos that you just put in your OneDrive Dexter South field. You should have two of them because you have one for the intro, one for the final take. You're going to open, and then this is your storyboard, but whichever one you want to come first. Oh, I got them together. But just make sure you have the first one that you want first, the other one that you want to show up second be second. You can drag these back and forth to make sure they're in the right order. Then finish video, export, find a good place to save it in your OneDrive Dexter South field, maybe in your science folder. Click export. Depending on your connection and how big your video is, this will take a couple seconds or a couple minutes. Let it do its thing. And now it's all set. So then you will go to Schoology, go to your science class, and then I need to fix how that's spelled, but go ahead like you always do and add media, attach the file. You know how to do this. You guys have done this so many times already, but you get the idea. There's my Rube Goldberg. Got it. Added it in. All set to go. You guys are good to go. Good luck.